So for this module, we're going to use Testfit, and I'm going to cover this in detail in the lecture. You probably already have been presented with, but if you haven't, I just put this in the header anyway of the module itself. So Testfit is this feasibility software, as they're saying it in their marketing, but it actually is kind of like an algorithmic tool to facilitate layouts of sites for development. And so this is not exactly related to, well, obviously we're making buildings, so it's related to architecture, but it's really about site development tools that real estate people and developers might use. And really our goal here is to understand how to interface with it, because we interface with those players in the community also. So as you can see here from the animation, you can pick a site and then populate that site with all kinds of different building types and then modify them. So let's get started with how we're going to actually load up Testfit. So I'm going to go over to the Google screen here, and I put in Testfit for Students, and the first thing that comes up is this Testfit for Students link. And I'm going to click on that, and that will take you to a place where you can sign up for a free academic license. I'm not sure how long it takes to get word back from them on this. And I'm not sure any longer. This changes every year. And since I'm already signed in, I can't go through the experience freshly. But go ahead and submit this way. And if that works, that's great. If not, another way to do it is to go to the home page and then scroll down. And I think you're going to find, nope, I'm not seeing it here. So let me just go to product. And then let's slide down. And I think it has a place to try Testfit. And that's going to take you to a place where it just clicked over, where you can request a free trial to try Testfit out at your own pace. And this one lasts for 90 days. And so once you're signed in, or set up with it, you'll be able to sign in and then download the software, or they may have a different procedure now. But this is going to my sign in on this account. And this is the place where I can grab a version of Testfit and download it. And I also have Testfit for Revit, which is the plugin, but we won't cover that right now in this introduction. So go ahead and get started with Testfit. Hopefully you're doing this well in advance of wanting to start working on the project. So any bugs that are happening, we can discuss them and clear them up if they need be.